Hello guys, welcome to Use Frank Talk with Snow. My name is Snow, I'm Michael, and here we give advice and talk about mental health, relationships, life experiences, as well as controversial topics. Here it's all about honesty and transparency. Please take lead. Today I have my beautiful and adorable friend Faith. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, we're going to be asking each other random questions today to make this segment more interactive. So we'll be talking about Nysc orientation camp program, what it entails, what to expect, and the do's and don'ts.
So for those of you guys who are a little lost with the acronym Nysc, it simply stands for the Nigerian Youth Service Corp. It was implemented by the Nigerian government. It's a year-long program where they enroll all qualified university graduates to help with the nation building and fostering the growth of the country. It was created in the year 1973 by then Head of State, General Yakubu.
Moment of laughter. Firstly, it starts with the almighty call-up letter. It all begins with the almighty call-up letter. Okay? The call-up letter is a set of documents, or it's a document that shows you your state of deployment and, the address, the location, and some other important documents and information that you need to locate yourself to where your camp is. So it shows you everything you need for the next 3 weeks camp experience you're going to be having. So that is what you need to know about that. So Faith, how was it and how did you feel like seeing your call-up letter, the expression, and knowing where you were posted to?
Well, I felt good for a change actually, because I've been so expectant. I initially thought I was going to bring the first batch or the first stream. It didn't happen. That period where every single person is waiting to check their dashboard to see what's happening, and then boom, you check and you're notified that you're not going with that stream. I started losing hope. There were side talks that I'd probably go with the next batch and not the coming stream for that batch. But eventually, it came out. I got excited, and the excitement actually died down when I saw what was being posted. So that's where the nervousness came about. Finally, you're going to be an independent adult. Go out there and try to exist with different people, different language. It's no longer like a hometown and everything. Different people doing different things, different culture, and it felt good actually. It was really, really exciting. I can say that for sure. So tell us what the journey to the orientation camp was like.
Okay, first of all, you're going to be nervous. Definitely, you're going to be scared. So you're going to an unknown land that you've never been to before. So, while heading to a new environment and everything, you get to realize that you are at ease at some point, because you start to see changes in topography, changes in the environment, the food, the people, and everything around you. Okay, it becomes exciting. You're going to be excited. Apart from all the turbulences you're going to experience on the road, that kind of like catches everything in the end. You're going to be happy that you're finally here to a new place where you've never been before. So it's exciting. The journey experience is exciting, I would say. So Faith, what happens next after the arrival?
Okay, so first impression, I was really excited with my camp. I don't know about other people, but I had a very good first impression. And about the things I observed, going to the gate, before you even get to go through the gate, you get they're like canopies outside. Basically, you went during the COVID period. COVID is still very much on ground, so they had to take the measures that were necessary. And so there are canopies outside where you get to be tested for COVID, and on your dashboard prior to when you get to camp, there's like this COVID self-test where you're supposed to do it yourself. You print it and you go to the campground with it. And so before you get to the gates, there are people, officials, medical personnel who are going to be testing you on the COVID, the nose swab and everything, giving your results ASAP, like right there. And when you're done, the next canopy is where you get to search your belongings, whether you have illicit or hard drugs, or you're carrying anything that would pose a threat to other people who are staying here. That shows to the safety of every single person, including yourself. Okay, so what happens next after your arrival?
Okay, after the arrival, there are a series of programs. You will go for your registration first. There is a registration block where you'll be screened. All your documents have to be ready. You have to be available. So I'll give props to the NYSC officials. They really actually do a great job. Everything is usually organized. So you guys will have to be screened from every single thing, your university documents, your NYSC documents, and all that. And after that, you'll be given a code number, your state code number. So that state code number indicates where your platoon is. So your platoon is like a nuclear family in the camp, somewhere, something that indicates that okay, this is this group,
person.
Yes. So your platoon, when you get to platoon, you meet your platoon officer. You get your NYSC kit.
Okay, so aside from that, you get to get your tag for your hostel room, and then you're shown your bed, and you're expected to start arranging and putting all your things back together. Afterwards, you're to return back to the registration ground to get your account officially open, the NYSC account. That's where your allowee is going to be paid to consecutively for the next 11 months. So if you lose, it's on you.
Yes. So after that, there is this bagel that usually sound.
Which is like the next day, yeah?
No, the bagel sounds in the evenings.
Who told you?
Mornings, afternoons, and evenings.
Yeah, clearly.
All the time.
They give you like a day off. They know you've been through so much. So you come after the registration. Sometimes
because I arrived the second day.
I arrived on the first day. So
okay,
they give you the opportunity to go through the stress and just eat and go to bed. The bagel starts for us the next morning. Sometimes it's like 3:30, then sometimes it's like 4 a.m.
Yes, and arriving the second day, I didn't even know. And all that. So if you're the type of person that usually sleeps till 10 a.m. in the morning, sorry, it's not, the camp is not for you, because you will have to wake up by 3.
You have nightmares.
3 a.m. Yes, you have to wake up by 3 a.m. For the guys, 3:30, because guys,
like it was so crazy waking up, like you're hearing the big one, you're waking up by that time.
Yes,
the annoyance, the frustration, the
like
confusion.
In the morning.
It's not funny.
Yes, you have to leave your hostel to the parade ground for your parade marching, and that parade marching is a training that you need to undergo, and learning the NYSC anthem for the governor that is to come the following week,
as well as the state anthem that you are camping in.
Yes, you have to learn all that. So proceeding the following weeks, there are other
couple of days.
Yeah. The couple of days. Yes, right. The social night. The social night is the most exciting part of everything. The social night is where everybody comes together.
Because believe me or not, no matter how reserved you are,
after
all that stress they're gonna put you through, signing up different places, going from one place, listening to people being rude, it's normal when you get to the camp. You are definitely looking forward to the social night because everybody gets to unwind, have fun.
Relax and have fun and everything. So that's the exciting part, of it. So after the social night is over, you have to retire to your hostels and have a good night's rest for some few hours before the
a few hours. There is also night out, but those of you guys who and night crawlers all of the night, and you're thinking, okay, you're going to have the social night till 12 p.m. You're mistaken. You're wrong. Because light out is at exactly 10, except when the frog jump by that time of the day. Get ready to go and sleep by 10 on the dot. So
basically the programs in the camp, morning, afternoon, evening, is like morning, the parade ground, breakfast, lecture,
then you're given time to shower,
lunch, evening parade, after evening parade, dinner, after dinner, lights out. The do's and don'ts. One is do not laminate any of your documents, because those documents they will need to be stamped.
Exactly.
And they can, so you don't need to.
Then 2, please do not go with your bougie hairstyle. all those of you who actually think you can do the afros, the flowing hairs and everything, when you get to the parade ground, trust me, you're going to regret you actually did it. That if your camp allows you or permits you to go with all this flowing hair, because for my camp, they ask to tuck it at the back.
Yeah,
And even if nobody's going to talk to you, when you get to the parade ground, when you get to that parade where you get to pull out your hairdress, officially you have to put on your cap and everything, it becomes stressful to take it out and then wear it back for uniformity. So for easiness and for ability to roll with others, go with braids or anything easy that you can always wear your cap and take it out without being stressed.
Please do not lose your face cap. It's very important. Okay, your face cap is literally cannot go anywhere without it, because the soldiers are going to want to know where it is and all that. So it's right, it's needed for the. You can't go to the parade without your face cap, and again, it needs to shield you from the scorching sun. So you need to wear your face. Don't lose your face cap.
Exactly.
Don't lose it. Okay.
For the most it's important actually, but for your survival, please do not disrespect the soldiers on the ground. No matter what happens, it's just normal that this myth where they say they've gone through so much, so they're going to unleash it on you. It's very true, but that should not warrant.
Yeah, the soldiers are friendly.
They are friendly when you know how to roll with them. Yeah, they're going to shake you up a little bit and make you feel scared, but you should be able to respond as a responsible person.
And the most punishment they'll give to you is just a frog jump,
which never happened to me actually.
Yeah, they will not punish you. They are very sweet. They are
just
lovely.
Don't be rude. Yeah, just don't be rude.
They are great. Do not use handsets on the parade ground.
Okay.
Do not make calls on the parade ground. Your phone might be seized and all that. And also respect the officials at the camp, aside from the soldiers, the other officials, coordinators, patrol officers, and everything. Just be good and be respectful, be responsible, because you could be decamped, and being decamped means you're being kicked out from the camp.
Please, again, for respect, please dress responsibly, or like graduates and everything. I see a lot of people, I'm not trying to shade or anything, but it's for your own ease and comfort. Dressing properly just makes everything easy for you. Because during the parade, all those matching and everything, some people's outfit literally pulls up. So to make it easy for you, you just have to dress comfortably, so that way you could vibe and roll with whatever task is given.
And also do not steal, please. For no reason. Don't steal, because if you're caught, you're going to be arrested. Actually, embarrassed and arrested and everything.
Stealing
is embarrassing. Like, how would you steal after everything you've been through to be a Corp member and you're going to steal?
Please don't steal. That's horrible.
Okay.
Have mercy on your fellow we try to get.
So what advices will you give them?
Okay, so from my own side, I feel like going early is cool. For some people, they said they went late and they were given really bad hostels. Well, that's true. People who went late in my own camp, I had the opportunity to stroll and see where they're staying. It wasn't that good. So we that came early got the opportunity to stay in good hostels and everything. Pack wisely, for goodness sake. Don't pack everything in your house. It's just 3 weeks, and for the most part of it, you're going to probably be wearing the white and white 247. What if there's anything you should pack more of, it's like your white and white and your stockings. Every other thing, just calculate them for the free days, which are just Sundays. You get to wear the muftis, and that's for like a couple of hours, because from 2 p.m. you're expected to go back to white and
everything is white and white.
And if you probably not be able to maintain them, it will get dirty easily. You can get a few pairs, maybe 4 each, 4 shorts, 4 white tops, and find somebody at the Mami market who's going to be doing your laundry, so that way you can wear one today and then give it out, get it the next day, and so that way it's flexible. You carry light load. Well, I heard for some camps they were made to carry their boxes on their head. I don't know how true that is. Just in case, you never know. You have to come ready.
You need to pray, because prayer is going to help you experience the journey and everything you're going to encounter. Your spirituality. Your spirituality is important. We just want to say thank you.
We have officially come to the end of today's episode on the talk show, which is the Nysc orientation program and what it was like for us. We're giving you a little sneak peek
and also advice on what to expect, and we hope that we've given you things,
a few tips to help you. Certainly we will not know everything, but at least we've helped you somewhere or the other.
So I hope you learned something from there. So this is our very first episode. Please subscribe, like, share, anything.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. because we have a lot of other interesting topics. Like,
Yes.
you guys need to.
Right. Yeah, we appreciate that.